Another 60-ish coming at you. So, one of the things you have to look out for is you cannot use certain metals with other metals. Otherwise you get a condition called electrolysis. And this is an example of that. So you've got a steel housing. More than likely this is like a cast iron or black nipple. And then they put a brass fitting on that. And you see how bad that's deteriorated and rusted and just looking really bad. We're going to have to get this replaced, and hopefully it doesn't break on us in the process. But you have to be really cautious of stuff like this because you don't want to create that scenario where you're causing electrolysis to happen. So the ideal scenario here would have been to put, you know, like another brass fitting or some other type of metal in there that's not going to be, it's like a dielectric metal, right? Put some sort of a dielectric joint in so that you don't have those metals mixing with something that's going to react to each other. Like I was saying, brass is an example of, you could have used a brass nipple there and it would have prevented or at least prolonged that process from happening, and it wouldn't get so severe as where this cast iron nipple, you can see it's just completely dead, shot, done, that's it. So anyway, another 60 is coming at you. I did a little bit better on this one than I have the others. You know, I'm less than 2 minutes, so that's an improvement. But hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll see you. Well, so much for being under 2 minutes. So I was walking away and I noticed that they did this joint the right way. This is actually a brass nipple here, and you can see just the condition of it. It doesn't have any corrosion or anything. It's got some tarnish on the outside, kind of like a penny would do, but it's not rusted up and bulled up like the other one is. So this is what it will do if you use a dielectric type metal like brass. And if you don't, you use the wrong metal and it creates electrolysis, you're going to end up with the other piece. This would thread out no problem. We wouldn't have any issues with it. The other one, it's going to be tricky and it might just snap off on us trying to get it out. So anyway, finish up your 60-ish for this go around, and y'all have fun.